So hello guys, welcome to PHYSICSHUB. Today we'll be talking about the new batch which is going to be launched on Unacademy Plus for the upcoming CSIR-net examination. Not this September exam, but it is targeted for the upcoming December 2022 examination. Supposedly, the exam may held on January 2023 or February 2023. There are less chances for the exam to be held on December. So the batch will be this will be a detailed batch course. The name of the batch is Stimulate Batch Course. Stimulate Detailed Batch, and this batch course will be taken by 3 educators. Stimulate Detailed Batch. So the whole syllabus will be covered by 3 educators in detail. The educators are myself, Anjali ma'am, and Om sir. So these 3 educators will take this Stimulate Detailed Batch course, and the whole syllabus will be covered, and this course will be conducted in English, and the notes and overall thing will be also be provided in English. Now let me tell you more about this batch course. This batch course is starting from 11th of August 2022. And you will get classes in the morning session, at night session, and in between also. I will be taking at night 9 p.m. and the other educators will be taken in the morning or afternoon session. So in this batch course, top educators will provide in-depth knowledge of physical sciences. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for CSIR UGC NET. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from this course. All doubts related to the topics will be clarified during the live class, and in addition to that, we will be getting a dedicated live doubt clearing session after every third lecture, and as I told you already, it will be conducted in English, and the notes will also be provided in English. Now let me tell you some of the more features of this live classes. So you will get regular live as well as recorded classes. After conduction of the live class, you will get the recording available in the Unacademy learning app. Regular assignments with detailed solutions will be given. The detailed solution will be discussed in the class itself. You will be getting practice test in the app. After every class, you will automatically get a practice portion against that particular session, and a doubt clearing session will be conducted at every third lecture, as I already told you. Completion of the core as well as advanced portion. So this is a detailed batch course, so core plus advanced, both of these portions will be covered in detail. Short notes at the end of the course will be provided for each subjects, starting from mathematical methods to particle nuclear physics. Now particularly I will start with EMT. Okay. Now let me specifically tell you about this EMT course. I will be taking EMT. So this EMT course will be having 40 sessions. 40 sessions, each sessions will be of 2 hours, 2 hours long live session. So sufficient classes are there to cover this EMT course. So I will cover the whole syllabus of EMT as per the CSIR-net physical science syllabus. You can find the link of these courses in the first comment of this video. And this is about this batch course and all. Let me tell you about a few more things. So if you want to prepare for the CSIR-net physical science, you can join our Unacademy Plus classes. Particularly, you can have a look at all my courses by visiting this URL unacademy.com/PHYSICSHUB, and you will get all the detailed courses starting from mathematical methods to nuclear and particle. You will get all the detailed course, and currently this kind of fee structures are there. You can see in this image: 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 month subscription, and if you apply our referral code PHYSICSHUB, you will get the maximum benefits. So now a special offer is going on, and this offer is valid till August 12th up to 11:59 p.m. So if you utilize this offer, you will be given As you can see, if you take 6-month subscription, you will be given 1 month extra, 12-month subscription 3 months extra, 24-month subscription 6 months extra, and you can get it at maximum benefits, maximum discount at 43%, 37%, 24%. You can see the planning here. You have to just utilize our referral code. The referral code is on our YouTube channel name, PHYSICSHUB, PHYSICSHUB. There is no spacing in between. So apply this referral code and get maximum benefits while taking the Unacademy Plus subscription. So this was just the course announcement video. We'll see you in the next video with some other topic. You can let me know in the comment section whatever topic you want me to cover in the next video. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next one. Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSIR-net, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for CSIR-net Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of CSIR-net Physical Science syllabus. My approach is especially I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus classes, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take an Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code PHYSICSHUB, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.